Welcome to Build the Fish. I'm James Henning, Product Engineer at Batson Enterprises. Today we're going to walk you through the unboxing and setup of a forecast wrapping machine, one of our most popular tools in our forecast lineup. Your forecast power wrapper should come securely packaged like our example with 4 main components. The main pre-assembled section, which includes the wrap and dry motors, 3 rod stands, belt, chuck, foot pedal, and 4-foot base. A 4-foot aluminum base extension brackets, and a thread carriage with a spare drive belt. After unpackaging, your first order of business will be testing both the wrapping motor and drying motors, making sure they both function correctly. Ensure that the drive belt is securely engaged and run the power wrapper and dryer motors for 30 seconds or so, making sure the dryer works in both directions. You'll need to move the drive belt to the appropriate pulley when switching between the power and dry motors. Next, make sure the foot pedal and dial controls provide progressive control of the motor speeds and limit the speeds as needed. The hand control should set the max speed that the foot control will operate at. The 4-foot base extension attaches to the main base with the provided brackets and hardware. Additional base extensions are available for building longer rods. The 3 included rod stands are easily adjusted for keeping different diameter rods level. Make sure the thread carriage will slide right in the base channel and move freely across the entire length of all base sections. That should do it for setup and testing of your new forecast wrap machine. You're now ready to build your very own ultimate custom rod. The forecast wrap machine is available from any one of our dealers. Visit our website to find a dealer in your area.